What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to review this Dymatize ISO100 birthday cake Pebbles protein powder. I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So I have a little disclaimer that I want to tell you before I get into the review. So my review of this product is not a recommendation for you to go out and buy this product. It's just me sharing my personal experience with using this product. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and as healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to take supplements, please consult with your doctor first to make sure you're healthy enough. And also make sure that you read the labels and follow all the directions on the labels of the supplements you're using. All right, so now this Dymatized ISO100 fruity birthday cake Pebbles. And so first of all, let me just say, I got this because a viewer actually left a comment asking me to try the Fruity Pebbles protein powder. And I had never tried it before, and I just felt like it probably would be good. So I went in to find it, and this is what I found was the birthday cake Pebbles, which is not the Fruity Pebbles, but it's birthday cake Pebbles. But hey, it still has pebbles in it, and it's got Barney and Fred on it, so I'm like, why not? So I bought it to give it a shot. I paid $31.99 plus tax at Vitamin Shop. So I had it this morning. And so what I'm going to do is you're going to see video from me mixing it up. And I got to tell you this, I mean, it smelled really good. And you're supposed to mix it up. One scoop goes into about 5 or 6 fluid ounces of water or milk or whatever the beverage of your choice. I mix mine with water now. And so it has 110 calories. It has 1 carb, and it has 25 grams of protein per scoop, and there's 24 scoops in this. So 24 servings, 1 scoop, 25 grams, 1 carb, 110 calories. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the 3 best qualities that I experienced with this product. So number 1 is the taste is amazing. It's the best tasting product, protein powder that I've ever tried. And first, let me go ahead and tell you, I'm saying that now, this company, I don't know who they are. They don't pay me to do this. I think you guys know that with my reviews. So nobody pays me to review their stuff. So they didn't send it to me or anything. I bought this because a viewer said that they wanted me to review it. And so I'm telling you, in my experience, this is the best tasting protein powder that I've had. So it's really good. So that's number 1, best quality. Number 2 is that there's 25 grams of protein per serving, which is the minimum that I consider my meals. I want at least 25 grams of protein in my meals. And so check, it does the job with that. And then number 3 is that it mixes super easily. So 5-6 ounces of water, scoop, or milk, a scoop, and a couple shakes, and it mixes really good, and it tastes just amazing. All right, so what are the 3 downsides of this? I don't have any. I have no downsides to this. So it's really good. I think it's the first time, I don't know, I've done a whole bunch of these reviews, but no downside for me. So I like it. It worked really well when I took it, and so no downsides. How did this affect my workout? So just like any other protein powder, any good protein, supports muscle building. So for me, for my workout, it actually made my workouts a little bit better because I actually enjoyed drinking this. So, drinking something that tastes good and then you go work out, I mean, it's a win, right? So you're already feeling good and going into your workout. And so it helps if nothing else, but also just having that protein that, is there to support your muscle growth. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Has it. Now, there are no carbs in this. It says 1 gram of carbs, so I consider it no carbs. So you may have to have something with it. If you want more of a balance, you want to have, you can mix it with a banana or something like that if you want to. I took it just like it was, and I'll eat a banana for carbs or have granola or something like that, but love it. This stuff was good. How do I rate this product on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this one a 10. Yep, a 10. I give it a 10. I like it. It's really good, and that's how I feel right now about it. All right, so how can you use this product? So you can use this product a variety of ways. Of course, definitely supports your workout, but if you feel like that you want to, clean up your diet and you want to have, add protein shakes in there instead of eating meat or something like that, hey, this will be a good one for it. But definitely a dietary type supplement if you choose to use it. I get a lot of questions about which protein, which powders are, or help you lose weight and things like that. And the question is, it all depends, because there's so many different factors. So that might be a whole nother video, but this can help you lose weight, but it can also help you gain, because it depends on how you use it. It's protein, just like any other source of protein. You got to treat it just like that. This actually has really good amino acids in it, so 5.5 grams of branched chain amino acids, and it has leucine in it, 2.6 grams of leucine in it, so really good for muscle building. And I mean, I can go on and on about the goodness of this. All right, so hopefully this review helped you. And what I would like for you to do now is, if you want to follow me on social media, you can, from Instagram, you can go at thisisb_rob and connect with me there, or you can go to my website, thisisbrob.com. But other than that, I want to ask you to please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.